you've launched your product on Amazon, but where are the sales? If your product is launched on Amazon, but there are no sales, no traction, then this video is for you. Most people think that launching a product is the hard part. In reality, the strategies that you need after you've launched the product is what gets you to succeed on the platform. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers since 2019 on Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, as well as Egypt. Here is a step-by-step guide of what you need to do if you've already launched your product, but you're not getting the sales that you want. Step number one, before you panic, know the demand. This is certainly something that you need to do actually prior to launching any product. But let's say you didn't do any research. Before you assume that the product is not going to generate any sales on Amazon, there's simply no customers, you need to check the demand of your top competitors. I'm going to show you how you can utilize a feature inside of a tool called Helium 10, which is a tool that we always talk about on the channel. Very great tool for sellers that are selling on Amazon. Specifically, Helium 10 also operates on Amazon UAE as well as Saudi Arabia. So the tool is going to assist you to figure out main things. Number one, who are your top 5 competitors? Number 2, how much sales on average are these top competitors generating per month? Number 3, what is their average selling price and what are their average reviews? All of that is very important information so that you can put certain metrics in place and try to reach those metrics. Now, of course, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but you do need to set realistic expectations. Just because your top 5 competitors are generating certain amounts of sales doesn't mean you're going to immediately get those numbers, but at least you know where you should be and where you are right now. So I'm on Amazon UAE and I typed in the keyword hooks. I'm going to use this whole niche as an example. And as you can see, we've got a lot of different sellers. Now, the first thing to do is to utilize Helium 10 and a feature in Helium 10 which is available in the extension that you can download into your Google Chrome called X-Ray. But before that, just a small side note, when you want to select competitors, you need to make sure that those competitors not just show up under the keyword hooks as an example, but are direct competitors. What do I mean by that? Their products look similar to whatever you're selling. This product as an example and this product, even though they show up under the keyword hooks, are not the same product. So you want to select the closest products to you so that you can have a logical comparison. After you've scanned the whole competitors, then you would click on X-Ray. And what will happen is Helium 10 is going to X-ray the full page and it's going to provide you the price, the sales, the revenue, and the reviews of each and every product. Now, we're not going to assume that all of these sellers are your competitors. Again, we want to select the top 5. The easiest thing that I would recommend would be to export this whole thing into an Excel file and then work on it on your computer. So here is exactly what I did. I selected more than 5 competitors just for the purposes of this video. As you can see, you can even, it even downloads the images just in case you don't have to go back and forth. And as you can see, there is the selling price, the estimated sales per month, and we can also see ratings, but most importantly, the review count. Now, those would be the 3 metrics that you need to focus on. Let me remind you, number 1, the selling price. So here I've added a formula that can let me know what is the average selling price. This is certainly a very inexpensive product. The average selling price is around 18 dirhams. What are the average sales per month? Some sellers are very much low, some sellers are a little bit above, with this seller selling 1,353 units, but on average it's about 210. And then also I would need to do the average for the reviews. That way I have certain metrics, and then you can devise a formula which can help you reach those numbers. If you do not know the destination of where you are going, then how will you know the road that's going to take you there? Step number 2, is your listing truly optimized? Go back to your title, your bullet points, and your product description. Are they keyword optimized? Are they convincing and scannable? Have you provided the benefits of your products and why somebody should be purchasing your product? If not, then your listing could be the problem, not the product itself. This is certainly true if you're getting a lot of sessions and a lot of clicks, or if you're spending too much money on ads without generating any sales. It simply means that customers are logging into your product page, but not feeling confident to purchase. Step number 3, track your keywords immediately. Specifically, this is only if you've launched your product. Now, there's a manual way of how you can track your keywords, but the easiest way would be to utilize a tool like Helium 10 with a feature called Keyword Tracker. Now, you would need to add at least 5 keywords that you want to track, and you want to track your organic rank as well as your advertised rank so that you can see each and every day what's going on and what is happening. Let me show you an example. Inside of the Helium 10 dashboard, I clicked on Tools, and then you have Keyword Tracker right here under the Analytics. What I did was I added the ASIN of a competitor. Now the concept is you wouldn't add the key, you wouldn't necessarily for this, the purposes of this video, you wouldn't add the ASIN of your competitor. You would add your own ASIN so that you can track your own keywords. So I added this product and I only just added 1 keyword just for the purposes of this video. Now, as you can see, the keyword is hooks, and you can see the organic rank. If I click on this, I'll be able to see that this product is ranked number 1 throughout, a month or so for this particular keyword. So, not bad at all. Now, I've selected this product, which is a bestseller. So certainly, when you launch your product, you're not going to have organic rank number 1, but it's important to, again, follow up with this to see what your organic rank is and how it's increasing or decreasing. Step number 4, make sure that you're running the right ads. Depending on your level of experience, I would highly recommend in the beginning for you to focus on auto campaigns, which we call discovery campaigns. Those campaigns are there to discover new search terms. If you're a little bit more advanced in terms of ads, you can also launch manual campaign focusing on exact keywords. Remember, don't overspend on broad, general, or unrelated or irrelevant keywords. Specifically, in the beginning, you want to focus customers that are literally searching for your product. Before I continue, if you find this information helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, leave me a like on this video, and leave me your comments and questions in the comments section below. Remember, the Amazon Sellers Society is a certified Amazon service provider, and we're here to provide you the services and support that you need to succeed on Amazon. You can reach out to the team and book a call with myself and the team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find the details in the description boxes for this video. We'll walk you through our programs and services to help and support your journey on Amazon in the Middle East. Step number 5, build trust fast. One of the main components of why somebody would purchase your products on Amazon is reviews. Reviews are very, very necessary, specifically in the beginning, but they're also very tough to get. Specifically that in the Middle East, we do not have access to the Vine program. So you need to rely on creating a certain launch program to assist you with generating those initial reviews. You can also utilize the request a review button, even though Amazon automatically sends review requests on your behalf to each and every customer. You can also add insert cards requesting reviews from customers, insert cards inside of the product. Make sure you follow Amazon's terms of service. And finally, analyze, adjust, and be ruthless. What you would need to review would be, number 1, what are the keywords that are converting and getting you sales? Number 2, where are your impressions coming from, and are the keywords relevant? Are they generating enough sales? Number 3, what about your price? Is it competitive compared to the current market? Side note, I know price is just one component of succeeding on Amazon. It is certainly not the only component, but it's so important to take it into consideration. Here would be a weekly optimization checklist specifically focused on your ads. Number 1, keyword rank movement. Check your keyword ranking utilizing the tracker that I showed you on every single week. Number 2, certainly check your ad performance. Well, technically you should be checking your ads every day, but specify a certain day during the week to check ACOS, CTR, CVR, and a lot of CPC and a lot of other metrics. Review count and rating. Are you generating more reviews, and what is your overall rating? And finally, are you winning the buy box? One bonus tip would be, don't be emotionally involved with anything on Amazon. Just work on it immediately so that you can get results. Finally, if you've made it this far to the video, thank you very much. You're a very loyal viewer. I want you to note that most sellers, when they launch their products on Amazon, they just launch the product and sit around waiting for something to happen. Amazon, business in general, e-commerce in particular, is not a sit there and wait for stuff to happen type of business. We need to be actively engaged in strategies and in changes, whether up, down, left or right, in order to improve our business and get to the level where you want to get. If you don't know your demand, your keyword position, I would highly recommend that you utilize Helium 10 as a very important tool in your toolbox. We've got a special discount for new Helium 10 users. You'll find all of the details in the description box of this video. You can get access to a 20% discount for the next 6 months, which is a savings value of over $120. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.